West Coast Solar makes it simple and easy to make the switch to solar energy. To help you get started, we provide you with a free estimate to answer your questions about solar. Here's what your quote will include. We provide a thorough roof assessment to determine the size of your roof, if your roof can support solar panels, how much sunlight your roof gets, and if there are any obstructions such as trees. Next, we explore 5 key factors to design a custom system tailored to your needs. We look at your energy goals, the amount of sunlight your property gets, the size of the installation area, the orientation and layout of your panels, and your budget. Finally, we calculate your savings and project a return on your investment to show you just how much you'll save when you switch to solar. If you're ready to get started on your solar project, contact West Coast Solar today to get your free quote for a custom solar energy system. We're excited to partner with you.